Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to deep clean your coffee pot with nothing more than just water and a little bit of vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, it's not a problem. You can do the same process just with water. You might have to repeat it 1 or 2 times to get the full effect of the vinegar. I also want to mention that the vinegar does smell when it comes to the coffee pot. It's not super strong, it's not super overpowering or anything like that, and the scent does not linger for a long amount of time after. Here's just a really quick overview of what my coffee pot's looking like right now. You can see a lot of coffee grounds down in there. It's pretty rough. So what we're going to do is actually just take our vinegar and dump it where you would normally dump the water. I've got about 6 cups of water that I'm going to dump into the back here right on top of our vinegar. Now that I have the water and the vinegar in here, all I'm going to do is turn it on and let it brew. Vinegar in the water is going to run through the machine, clean out the entire process of the machine, and it kind of cleans itself, so you don't really have to do anything. After that, I'm going to take it out and run through just water, and then we're going to scrub out the inside of this pot here. The fun part is seeing just how dirty the water and the vinegar is that comes out, because that's how you know how much old coffee grounds is in there and stuff, and that is the most satisfying part. It's like when you rug doctor your carpets or something and you want to see how nasty the water is. That's the equivalent to this. I'm going to dump out our water and vinegar mixture here. I filled my coffee pot up as high as it can go, so 12 cups here. I'm going to run all 12 cups of just plain water through the coffee maker now just to rinse out whatever vinegar might be left behind. I'm going to start this, run through all that plain water, and then I'm going to take out the coffee pot itself and rinse this out. And just like that, you're going to have a really clean, thoroughly cleaned, deep cleaned, spring cleaned, whatever you want to call it, coffee pot. Just like that, your coffee pot is all cleaned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.